What's up, everybody? Diana here from My Millionaire Quest. I'm back, better than ever. Now, seriously though, I'm creating this video to share with you guys that I'm back. I'm going to be a little more transparent with you, and I'm going to share with you my journey to becoming a millionaire and reaching financial freedom through affiliate marketing. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I've been dabbling with. If you don't know my story, check out mymillionairequest.com/about me, learn my story, and you know that I don't come from rags to riches. So in the rags part, if you will. But I feel like that's something that we all need to do, because when you think about it, if you go on YouTube, you go on Instagram, you go on Netflix, you go on Facebook, you see all these gurus driving their Lamborghinis and their Ferraris and shit. And the fact of the matter is, they tell you how they went from 0 to 100,000. They tell you how they went from being broke to being, living the lavish lifestyle and having financial freedom. But they never show you that. You never see that part. So that's something that you're gonna see with me, because I'm literally at the starting point of my entrepreneurship. I've been doing this for 4 years now, give or take, but this is the first year I'm actually taking it seriously. Before, back in the day, people would ask me what I do. I'd say, yeah, I build websites. But now, you ask me what I'm doing for a living, what I'm doing with my life, what my purpose is, and I would tell you gladly, I am an affiliate marketer. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm aspiring to teach others to do as well, because let me tell you something, when you create a passive income with affiliate marketing, there's nothing as rewarding as that. With a job, you can be a doctor, but the fact of the matter is making $120,000 a year, or whatever it may be, but you still have to go clock in, you still have to save lives, you have to do checkups, whatever it may be, in order for you to get that paycheck. Just like me, being a chef, I have to go in and cook for people in order for me to get my paycheck and pay my bills. And I'm kind of done doing that. I really don't want to do that anymore. Excuse me. I want to live a life with purpose. I want to live a life with passion. I want to live a life with peace. And living paycheck to paycheck is something that you do not find peaceful. I honestly don't find peaceful. So yeah, guys, that's what I said I'm gonna do, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share with you my journey, my millionaire quest, and I'm gonna share with you what works and what doesn't work as far as entrepreneurship. What books to read, what I'm doing that works for my business might work for you, what doesn't work, so you can stay away, save yourself some time and money, because 4 years is 4 years, baby. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it right now. I'm grateful for everything I have, but I'm working towards building more. And I know it's going to be done through the internet, because the internet is a powerful thing. So that's it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned. I will show some Disney vlogs as well, because I'm living in Orlando and I go to Disney all the time. That's one of the reasons I moved up here. I'm literally 10 minutes away from Disney. But yeah, if you're in the Orlando area, Kissimmee area, hit me up. If you're an entrepreneur, digital nomad, affiliate marketer, any of that good stuff, so we can link up, share some ideas, exchange some ideas. You never know. But that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, like, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.